Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting an overview of the subject SCR, which stands for Social Connect and Responsibility. SCR is a subject designed to help students understand their role as responsible individuals in society beyond academic and technical learning. The main objective of SCR is to build a strong connection between students, society, nature, and culture. It encourages us to observe real life social and environmental issues and understand how our actions can contribute positively to the community. This subject is divided into 5 modules, each focusing on an important aspect of social responsibility, such as environmental conservation, cultural heritage, sustainable living, water conservation, and food traditions. Rather than focusing only on classroom theory, SCR emphasizes experiential learning, including field visits, community interaction, documentation, and reflection. I will explain each module briefly, starting with Module 1. Module 1, Plantation and Adoption. One student, one tree. Module 1 of the SCR subject focuses on environmental responsibility and the importance of nurturing nature. In this module, each BE or BTech students adopt a tree for a period of 4 years, which aligns with their academic journey. This approach highlights the idea that caring for the environment is a continuous process and not a one-time activity. Students actively participate in planting and nurturing the tree. In our case, hibiscus saplings were planted, which symbolize resilience, growth, and sustainability. To strengthen learning, students document the progress of their tree through photoblogs or short documentaries. Study the tree's uses in daily life, its medicinal value, and its significance in folklore and literature. This module helps students develop patience, accountability, and a deeper emotional connection with nature, which also contributes to a greener campus and promoting environmental stewardship. Module 2 connects the students with local history and traditional craftsmanship. Through heritage walks, students explore the historical and cultural significance of their city, gaining a deeper appreciation for the community they live in. We also interact with local artisans, learning about various craft forms and how these traditions were evolved over time. During our last heritage walk, we visited Tipu Sultan's summer palace in Bangalore, where students experienced history firsthand and documented the visit through photos and videos. This module encourages cultural awareness and respect for traditional knowledge. Module 3 focuses on sustainable living practices that are essential for a healthier environment. Students learn about the benefits of organic farming, such as maintaining ecological balance, improving soil health, conserving biodiversity, and producing chemical free food. We also study effective waste management techniques, especially wet waste management practiced in nearby villages. Practices like composting and biogas generation are explored and adapted for campus use. This module highlights how waste can be transformed into a valuable resource instead of ending up in landfills. Water conservation is the focus of Module 4, as water is one of our most precious resources. Students study traditional and innovative water conservation methods followed in nearby villages, learning from real world practices. These insights are then applied to our campus to improve water efficiency and reduce wastage. Students document existing water saving techniques through documentaries or photoblogs, helping spread awareness. The goal is to make campus a model for responsible water management. module, Food Walk, a culinary journey. This module celebrates the city's culinary heritage. Students explore local food practices, indigenous ingredients, and the cultural stories behind them. As part of this activity, we set up a food stall called Western Dhaba, where we prepared and served red sauce pasta, cheese grilled sandwiches, and masala soda. This hands on experience allowed students to understand food preparation, presentation, and cultural fusion. It also highlighted how food plays an important role in preserving cultural identity. Include This initiative brings together environmental stewardship, community engagement, and innovative learning. Through tree adoption, heritage walks, sustainable living practices, water conservation, and food exploration, students gain practical knowledge while contributing positively to society. Our aim is not just academic learning, but shaping responsible individuals who care for nature, respect nature, and support sustainable communities. Thank you for your time.